That number 20. Oh man, up on two wheels. So that car will make its way into the pits where they will address that.
Drive to the house.
Yeah, you kind of clued in.
Yeah, you kind of figured, yeah, maybe this
That
is
number 11, man.
I've been thinking of
11, you got a slot, I think.
double A driving is a little more forgiving. There's a little more space there.
We got us a little bit backwards. I know we drove over one of the tires there. So, this is good.
11, you're good.
Big green flag there for the race. That's a long ways out, but they have some outside, Bill.
Relax, dude.
Say that again. What you see? Sometimes you'll see them. Other times you'll see them and fucking they're more kind of like the hospital there. Good, what? And then sometimes if you're in the pit, and then you have to do all the boat. Right? So it's like, friend of mine said, oh, you can go to the boat. That's a rarity. You see their eyes?
Halfway.
Deer aren't always looking at you. They're just going along about their thing. Someone paid check both ways.
11, you're into yourself or somebody else hurt. Calm down.
Yeah, we built my own
Caution, caution, caution. Corner 3.
That guy's putting on a good show.
He is.
This is why you don't set the chickens before they hatch.
Oh, he's in the dirt.
So we're all spaced out like Christmas. Not anymore. Now they're able to come back together. And we've already seen you can go from 66 without a bumper, bumping into number 21. Man, there,
You're the guy that found me.
Okay, get stickers over your green tickets back about to hit the victory lap. He's up ground, make sure he uses it. This is Scott Smith. And he's the 21 car. First run in 21 cars. So that's the thing we can set the pace.
I tried going down some hills and shit, and holy fuck, when you're 55, it's like, this ain't what I was for.